I'm not a whiz at it, but these are good tips. Hey Leaf Cuties, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. If you're new, welcome. Today's video, I am talking about how to do your brows. Before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. Also follow me on all my social media platforms, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So we're gonna get straight into this video. So the products that I use to do my brows, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and the color is Granite. The product that I use to clean up my brows is LA Girl Pro Conceal. The first thing I do with my brows is I will brush them up. I brush them up. So yes, I brush my brows up. Now I'm going to outline the bottom of my brow and the top of my brow. Okay? So when your brows are done and clean, it's really easy to do your brows, draw on your brows. Alright, so now I have my outline. And I just start going in the same direction my brow hairs are going to fill them in. As you can see, they're starting to get fuller. And I'm just going to continue doing that until I get to my brow tail. Now I'm going to go back in with my spoolie and brush my brow. Get some of that product off. You want to blend in your brows and give them a nice natural look. Now I'm taking my concealer. I'm going to take my firm brush, and this is where I'm going to start cleaning. Now, applying the concealer will help you shape and lift your brows. The more defined and lift your brows look, the more bright and rested you will appear. Now, the way I apply the concealer, I start underneath my brow, then begin to apply the concealer at the beginning of my brow, then working my way to my brow tail. Now I'm just doing the same thing I did underneath my brow. I'm just applying the concealer just to clean up the top of my brow. Now I'm just wiping away the excess concealer. Now I'm going to take my brow pencil again and just brush my brows up in the upper motion. Now you want your brows to look as natural as you can get it. What a difference, right? What a difference. Alright, I'm going to do my other brow. And you want your eyebrows to match. So that's why I always start with my outline. As you can see, my brows are definitely lining up together where I outlined them at. Going in to clean up. And remember, again, make sure your brows are matching. Okay, so these are my brows. These are my brows. What do you guys think? This is how I love for my brows to look. Full with a nice arch. But it's time for this video to end. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. Spread the word. Share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also turn on the notification bell. Also keep a lookout for that Autumn Leaf Beauty relaunch coming soon. And you guys have a wonderful day. See you next video.